and let go. 2 more of those. Breathe in, stretch up, exhale, drop down. Now open your arms and lift one heel as you sweep and wrap your arms around your waist. Another shoulder release. And I want to look after your legs and your back. So lift your heel as you turn. This is your very gentle level 1. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Now step your feet in. Bend your knees. So the skill, the Pilates skill, is to isolate. Tighten your tummy and just move the upper body. Arms still lovely and relaxed. Perfect. Bring your hands to rest, roll your shoulders back, and take your hands above your head and isolate your pelvis as you circle your arms above your head, and then go the other way. What do you notice? What do you observe in your body? What's happening in your physicality? Feet still, knees soft, arms circle, chest opens. Then, bend the knees a little more. Make the move bigger. Yeah, other way. So, squeeze your glutes. Push your hips forward. Open up your body. Push back and breathe. So there's an inhale at the front and an exhale to open. One more. Take your legs wide, arms to the side, and take this hand and drop it. Sweep it in front of your legs. Come up onto your toe at the back and eventually lift your leg. Bring that hand down, come into the middle, breathe in. Drop the other hand across your legs. Lift the arm and lift the back leg and look at your back hand, the hand behind you. Come into the middle, breathe in. Sweep the hand down and lift it up and lift the back leg. Come into the middle, inhale, lift the back leg. So eventually this move becomes incredibly fluid. Push off, squeeze your glute into the middle, big squat. Push off, squeeze and stretch into the middle, work those thighs. Lift, hold, and into the middle. Arms out, shoulders back, sweep and lift. One more. Big breath in, sweep and lift. Come into the middle, roll your shoulders and just place your hands on your waist as you lift one knee and then slide that foot behind you. So I want you to lift the knee and keep the ear, shoulder and hip in line. Lift the knee, sweep the foot back. So I'm not lifting the leg behind me, I'm working on keeping my chest open. Take your arms forward, palms turn up. Now hold the knee lift and bring your fingers to your shoulder, holding that knee in the air. Maybe you need to drop the foot to the floor, that's fine. And then bring the foot down, take the hands behind you so your palms face your bum and slide your foot back. And do that on the other side. So lift your other knee, fingers to shoulder, holding your posture. Good. Tightening your tummy, lifting your chest. One more time. And then land the foot, take the hands behind so they face your bum and hold that posture, chest open. Let's do it one more time each side. Lift the knee, a little bicep curl, 4 or 5. Fingers in line with shoulders, they never drop. Keeping the chest up, keeping the knee up if you can. And then sweep the foot behind you, sweep the arms behind you and lose that inclination to tip. Keep your chest open. I've lifted my back leg now, so I made it harder. That looks fab. Lift the knee on the other side and bring the fingers towards your shoulders. That's perfect. Lift the chest, hold your posture, and then land the foot. Slide the foot back, hands go back. Avoid tipping, lift your chest. Let's do that with hand weights. So start with your feet hip distance and taking one or both hand weights above your head, a little bend in the knees and circle the arms. Very, very different experience with the hand weights. So we're mindful, we're careful, we keep our feet still and keep your knees bent. So the experience, the physical experience is in the upper body. If you are comfortable, make the circle bigger. Squeeze your glutes to protect your pelvis. Squeeze and lift. Keep going, 4 more. Center. 3 more. Keep going, your pace, your timing, your breath length. So you might be longer in your breath than me, which is great. Really empty your lungs. Good, notice the shoulders, the hips, the waist. One last one. Pause in the middle, take the legs wide. Open your arms so your palms face forward. Sink into your thighs. This is your beginning and finishing move. Plie squat, strong thighs. Take this arm down. Sweep to the side and lift your back leg, look behind you. Come into the middle, open your arms, breathe in. Drop the other arm. Lift the back leg and look behind you. Inhale, open your chest, arms strong. Exhale, push off your back leg. So in the same way that you did it without the hand weights, you'll feel that the movement flows. Push off, strengthen, center. Good, well done. Adapt the exercises to suit you. Full breath in, full breath out. Open chest, breathe in, full breath out. One more. Sweep and hold. Poise and strong. Sweep and hold. Into the middle. Bring your feet underneath your hips. Bring your hands forward and bring your hand weight to your shoulder. Tighten your tummy. Slide your knee up into the air if you're going for that more advanced option. Hold the leg there as you do your bicep curls. So take your foot to the floor, hands behind you, fingers face your bum, and lift the back leg but keep the chest open, don't tip. Other leg. Bicep curl, hand to shoulder. This is where bringing the hand in line with the shoulder, really important. That isometric strength challenge for your arms. Good. Take the foot down. Slide the foot back. Don't tip. Chest up. Pull the shoulders back and then lift the leg. And keep going. Good work. Bicep curl. Hands in line with shoulders. Perfect. Taking your time. Pulling your tummy in so that your body is still. One more, nice and high. Then let the foot drop. Keep your chest up. Hands go behind. Lift your back leg. Other side. Bicep curl. Hands directly in front. Long extended arms as your knee lifts. Hold the knee, or if it's too much, you can let the foot drop. And then everyone, take the leg behind, chest open, lift the back leg. Land the foot. Slight variation. Both arms. Bicep curl. Keep your elbows up. I can see you're getting tired, so keep those elbows high. And then sweep and keep the chest lifted. Other leg. Keep the elbows high. 5 bicep curls. Tightening your tummy. And then take the leg back, chest lifted. One more. Each side. Stay strong. Bicep curl. Breathe out to do this. Fantastic. Narrow arms in line with your shoulders. Sweep back, chest up. Other leg to finish. Bicep curl. Good. Lovely arms. Great shoulder work. Take the hands back, the leg back, chest up. Release your shoulders. Release your legs. One or both hand weights in this hand. Hand directly above your shoulder and point the same leg out to the side. Bend the elbow, touch the knee, climb up. Bend the elbow, climb up. Bend, climb up. You ready to keep the foot off the floor? 5 of those. Wow. 4 of those. 3. 2. Keep that arm in the air, but shake out that leg. Step onto that leg and take the other leg out. You might want to take the arm to the side. Come across your body. 5. Across your body. 4. Breathe out. 3. Good. Toe down for level 1. And now 5 more where the leg stays off the floor. 4. Breathe out. 3. 2. Perfect. So shake out the leg. We're going to stay on this leg, but now swap hands. Arm to the side or hand to waist. Elbow to knee. Climb up. Allow your foot to land on the floor just until your body's used to the move. And then keep the foot off the floor. 5 of them. Breathe, extend. Breathe, extend. Keep going. Perfect. One last move. Shake out the leg, step onto that leg, take the other foot out and come across. Last time, foot down. Across, foot down. Breathe out, foot to safety. Final challenge, leg off the floor. Off you go. 5, breathe. 4, powerful arms. 3, 2, and last one. Shake out your legs, roll out your shoulders, reset your body, reset your posture. Bring your hands up, palms face forward, and bring your hands to your legs, palms forward. engage the muscles of your upper back. Squeeze your shoulder blades down. Teach, educate your shoulder blades to flatten to your back, and everything else is working with you. Feet slightly apart, feet underneath pelvis so you feel stable, knees are soft, tummy muscles are engaged, and take this posture with you all day. 2 more. Be mindful of those shoulder blades coming down. One last one. Good work, everyone. Great reminder of great posture. Draw your chin to your chest. Stretch down through your spine. Put your hand weights on your mat and circle your arms to release your arms. Come onto your mat, onto your knees, and just stretch before we move on. Take this arm across your body and hold at the shoulder, and then below the elbow, and then down to your wrist. Straight arm, feel that stretch. Let go and take the same hand so the fingertips sit between your shoulder blades. Some of you, extraordinarily flexible, will bring the other hand up. Others, like me, will simply hold the elbow and take it into a slight tip and release.